Yeah, hi Lasse. This is number 3. Okay, so this one here, basically I've had to do a small repair on a board. Nothing major, just missing a component, but you know, obviously it takes time to find them components. So basically what I've done is I've given it an overhaul. Again, the cogs are very worn. They're okay, but they are worn. So I've put a new laser in there. And the micro switch, I had to adjust the micro switch a little bit because it wasn't going right up as it should do, but that's all working now. And obviously, like I say, a new laser's gone in there, and that's number 3 there, so you can see that one there. Other than that, that one seems to be working perfectly now. So I'm going to put it on, turn up the volume. Yeah, so that's number 3 there, and that's all good. Just turn it up. So yeah, I trust you're happy with that one. As I say, again, this one's been on test for about an hour and a half now, on and off, to be honest with you, because I've been doing other bits and pieces, and you know, it's not missing any tracks. It's going all the way through the tracks, as it should do. So hopefully that's another good unit for you, ready to go into a machine or sell or whatever you're going to do with it. So thanks again, really appreciate your business.